look for the little calibration program, which we tap on this up arrow. I think your calibration is now messed up. So we actually have to go into the computer. So that's the common thing, right?
You've done everything but stand on your head.
Yeah, so if you've done everything right, which
everything
is
right.
That your projector is on.
Projector
your
is
board
on.
Is on.
Right.
That means the button is green.
Okay.
2 cables are plugged in.
Yeah.
And you're still, you touch
So
the
it's
board
nothing happening.
and nothing's happening.
Nothing's happening.
And
Okay.
you've tried unplugging the USB, plugging it back into different USB ports, and it's not working.
Right.
That means that the software that runs the board may not be running. And
Okay.
for some reason, this just happens sometimes.
Yeah.
So you.
So what's the solution to that then?
Deep into your computer, and you're going to have to click on a program and get it running.
Can teachers do that themselves, or is that something they call you for?
They can do it themselves.
To go into the
location
computer.
of this program is many layers,
Okay.
folders inside folders.
All right.
And we'll put the path to the program under this video.
Okay.
So we'll go to my computer.
Okay. Let me see if I can get in here. Can I see it on the screen actually? You can follow it on the screen, right?
Yep.
So my computer, yes.
Into your C drive.
C drive.
Yep.
That one there, right?
Okay, now you have 2 options here. Program files or program files x86.
File, so that
Not
wasn't, yeah.
Program files x86.
Okay,
ActivSoftware.
ActivSoftware.
ActivDriver. Now we know we're in the right place.
Okay.
And the program is called ActivMgr.exe. And that program should
which one
always
is
be
it?
running. It's
ActivManager?
ActivMgr. ActivMgr.exe.
Okay.
Double click on that, and that starts running the software that allows the board and the computer to talk to each other.
Double click.
Yeah. And now actually it won't give you any sign that it's running, but now...
Is it up now or no? Or is she still waiting?
The only sign that this program is running is down here when you click on that up arrow.
Right.
And you'll see that Promethean icon.
Okay, so it's up.
That means that the program is running.
Okay, so it gave her no, it doesn't open the way an ordinary file did.
No, it doesn't give any
She
sign
double
that
clicked
it's
on
there.
it and now she went down here and it is because
And
we
it
saw the
runs
icon.
kind of quietly in the background.
Okay, gotcha.
Now it's exactly where we are touching with the pen or with the finger.
Thanks, Rob. Don't forget to share this video. See you next time.